Hey guys! Welcome back to another episode of My Little Chefs! We know that everybody is bored at home, and since we're bored, let's make cassava cake! For our ingredients, we will need 2 cups of grated cassava, 1 can of coconut milk, 1 cup of milk, a can of sweetened condensed milk, 1 cup of sugar, pinch of salt, cheese, and vanilla extract. Guys, again, making cassava cake is so easy. All we have to do is mix all the ingredients and voila, we have to put it in the oven. Okay guys, let's start with the cassava. So heavy. Cassava done. Next, we will add the coconut milk. Next, we will add the milk. Now we will add the condensed milk.
Sugar to the next. Pinch. Then sauce.
And now, the vanilla extract. Ooh, it smells good. It always smells good. And for the last, we will add cheese, but we're gonna use half of it because we're gonna use the rest for the toppings later. Cheese.
Oh, it's so hard.
Guys, make sure to mix well before transferring it to the pan. Honey, why don't you mix?
I cannot.
Try.
Too hard.
I'll help you. Now we're going to transfer it into the pan.
That's a lot.
There.
Yeah, the books.
We're gonna put it in the preheat oven for 20 to 30 minutes. Guys, this is the finished product. And oh boy, it smells really good. Guys, keep safe from the coronavirus and stay healthy at home. And thanks for watching. Hope, like, and subscribe.